Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, the Parchment fam. So I'm here teaching my son how to tie his shoelace, and I realized that stop Janelle. And I realized that there's no video on YouTube of the Jamaican way. So apparently there's a different way that they do it here in America, and I don't know how to do it. He's 9 and he still doesn't know how to tie shoelace.
This one. Big old boy, I don't know if he tying lace. Watch it.
So I was teaching him, and within like less than 5 minutes he caught on. So I figured like I just make a video showing you guys how we do it in Jamaica. I think it's the easy way.
Yeah, people, and so right now we're here. You're not seeing me because I'm behind the camera. We're doing some little DIY, make some little space and organize the computer here, you know. I'll put up 2 shelves right about now, and wait for it to dry. You just paint it and get that started out, you know. Yes,
so back to
the young one. Sit down and look.
That's it.
Chill out, you know.
Alright, come Chunky. Heron, aka Chunky / Chunky, as according to you.
So my tying lace right about now. We just show him a couple times and he get it. So we're gonna make him tie it again.
So yeah, you are gonna do the tutorial.
And remember your video, so don't feel me. So we're gonna make him tie the lace.
I am talking.
And then we show you
how to do it. How to do it.
I need to put it on first.
Fix the shoes strong and put it on the shoe properly. You know, so you drag the lace too tight before.
Remember, you have to lose the front, the middle part right here.
Yeah,
and guys, you use left hand, so it kind of look awkward.
Yeah, it look awkward because you use left hand.
Janea, get a look at it.
Oh no.
Turn it over.
Yeah. Janea, excuse.
Okay. And then
Yes.
So you see that, guys?
Alright, kind of dark, guys, so I turn on the light and make you see it again.
Alright, so yeah.
Go on again.
Go again. So make sure say that I know buck up.
oh no.
If you mess up, you just start backwards first. Lose your way.
Still in a learning process, but you might get it.
At least him can correct. Once
Nice.
you see him can correct
Alright.
his mistake, then you know him
So
doing
you
it
get
good.
it again, people. You see
And he
what's
actually messed up and he
Yeah.
correct it, we don't
Yeah.
start over. So
you get it.
sure, we're gonna actually do the tutorial so you can. Where's everybody?
How would you do it now? You
Yeah, I'm gonna show you. So
get out the way. Come then, come. See everybody want in a video.
Yeah, alright, so let me put up this other one.
So the little one will relax a little bit.
It's so weird. I'm gonna play with
Bring
her.
your foot quick before baby start.
I'm gonna do
Get
it.
miserable.
Alright, so yeah, come, go back that way.
I'm gonna play with the baby.
Alright, so the first thing that you want to make sure so that's tight. So this is the first step where you cross it under. So that's it. Let me do it again. And you go under. Then you pull it tight, and you want to
Not
keep it
too tight.
center.
This is too tight.
It's gonna loose back though, because that's the thing. This lace is gonna loose back, so you want to do it like that. So yeah, and then so when you're just learning, you wanna do this. So you pinch right here and pinch right here. So you see? So let me do that again. Pinch here, pinch here. Alright? So that's the second step. Then you wanna pull here again, because it's gonna keep loose, So yeah. And when you do that, you wrap. Janea, excuse.
Get out of the way.
So then now?
Yeah, so sorry about that, guys. So you're gonna wrap.
Now you're gonna wrap, right? So I'm doing it again, because this is kind of the confusing part. When you wrap, you push this under, right? You see that? And then you know you're gonna let go. because you're gonna need this hand to pull this, right? So you grip this with this hand, then you let go again and grip this and pull. So I'm gonna do it again, and to unravel it, because he didn't know how to unravel it either, you can pull just either or and well at the same time. It's easy.
Or one at a time.
Or one, you can do one at a time.
Yeah,
So again,
so you're gonna do it from scratch
I'm gonna do
again.
it from scratch one more time. All right, so cross, under, pull, right? Let that go. Pinch, pinch, then again pull, wrap, push under, then you let go, grip, let go, and pull both at the same time. And you want to make sure that you hold these like this, as if you hold it, one, you might pull away, so you want to go like this.
Yeah, you wanna have both
Both at the same time. That's it.
That's it.
When you're doing it, it's a lot easier. How do you feel, Chunky? You feel confident in your ability to tie your shoes based on the way,
fun.
based on the way mommy taught you?
Yes, it was fun. It was fun.
Alright, so
Oh!
time to end the video, guys.
Yes, we go on and get fussy.
Yeah, so here at the end of the video.
Oh, yes, guys. So that's the Jamaican way to tie a shoelace. All right. So thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you learned something. Comment down below if this helped you guys to tie your shoelace if you haven't, if you don't know how to do it or your kids don't know how to do it. And subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell to get notified when we upload, and hit the like button, and we'll see you in our next video. Say bye.
Peace. Say bye.
Bye.
Look over your glasses.